Good afternoon, everybody. As you can tell from the title, what I'm really enjoying. And yes, so the boss came this morning, and yes, so let's just get into the video. I think I'm talking too much. This is the package that came today. Oh my goodness, when I open this packet, like, that is when I feel that, yeah, the packaging, everything, the wrapping, like everything about luxury just start from the packaging. When I open this package, I don't know, because I don't have a lot of luxury ready to wear, and I'm just, you know, starting gradually, and I don't intend in extending all my closet to luxury ready to wear. No, I'm still going to love my Massimo Dutti. That's my #1. I'm still going to love Zara. I'm still going to love high and low luxury. I don't care. If I see anything that I like, I will get for myself. So, but this is so special from the packaging. That's what we're talking about right here. So when I open this packet, imagine that. Just watch with me. Just look at this packet. Look at this packaging. This is everything. When I open it, I saw this, and looking down, I saw this beautiful box. Like, I don't really know if you guys are going to understand me why I'm so surprised about this, because I've ordered things from Farfetch, from my Teresa, from Net-a-Porter. Like, the packaging are quite different, which I also love the packaging of Net-a-Porter. I just love those beautiful flowers and all of that, but this is just something special with the, you know, with this. Like, if I'm going to keep this, I'm also going to keep the box. I'm never going to throw this box away, because this is just everything. Like, I need to open. You guys really need to see it. I'm just talking too much. So when I opened this, I saw this beautiful box in a box. You know, I saw this beautiful box in a box, and then when I took this box out, like, I was so happy, like, of this, you know. Look at this band here, like, really beautiful, really beautiful. You know, this is just kind of a marketing strategy, you know, to make people happy, and this really works for me. I'm really happy. So I took this is a metal, yeah. So when I took this out, and then I saw this pouch, and this, with this beautiful pouch, this is the receipt, and also the return ticket, the return etiquette. I saw that the item I purchased also came with a hanger. Let me show you guys this beautiful crop jeans. Like, oh my goodness, all these they are just too many. These beautiful jeans, like, oh my goodness, and it came with a hanger. Like, I haven't really purchased anything, though the hanger is plastic, but I think this is so lovely from Prada that they have to have the matching hanger. This is 100% recycled plastic. That's, yeah, so happy that they thought about that they have to add the hanger to it, because buying something pricey and you don't have all this whole luxury packaging, I think it doesn't work. So I'm really surprised, but I think Chanel do also package their things like this, with Chanel beautiful black gold hanger. And yes, so I just kind of love the packaging and everything, starting from the carton. And yes, so really beautiful. So let's go to, I got this beautiful crop jeans. Like, this is sold out everywhere. Like, first I saw this was, I think, 2021, and I was just like, oh, why would people spend that huge amount on a jeans jacket? Like, just because it's Prada. And ever since, I just keep like thinking, but I never really took it serious until when I was discussing with my girlfriend, and she also mentioned it, and like, maybe that jeans jacket is really gonna look nice on you. And I'm like, hold on. So I went straight online, and everywhere it's sold out, and you can't even get it. And I just kind of like, okay, it's sold out, let me just wait maybe one of these days it's gonna be available again. And time to time, like, I keep checking, like, when I'm serious about something, believe me, I will get it, because time to time I will always keep checking and calling the store. So, and yeah, I called the store. Even I went to the store, the size was not available, and even they told me on at the store that it's sold out, sorry, they can't get it for me, they can only get the long one, and I don't like the long one, I just want the scrub one. And yes, so finally, I think 3 days ago, I just checked online again and this was available. I ran, like, I clicked on it. I didn't even bother to check anything or to even read about the size. So I just clicked the last size. I think 38 was available, 40 was available, and this was 44, which is L. So I just clicked on the larger size. When I saw 44, I know, okay, this, even if it was 46 I saw, I would have clicked on it. So I just clicked on it, and they are very fast. Like, this just came within 2 days, like, amazing. So I clicked on it day before yesterday, and it arrived this morning. You know, really, really beautiful. This beautiful Prada, you know, beautiful. These, so let me wear and show you. So I have to really think about it, if I'm going to keep or not. Like, this is how she looks. Beautiful, simple, like, oh my goodness. This is the back. This is amazing. This is so beautiful. Yeah? Beautiful. Like, you can definitely, just like the Magella trench, you can wear this with everything, with jeans, you know, classy jeans, and jeans, like, you know, forever classic, and with skirt, with pants, with leggings, like with a shirt, depending on your mood, you know. So my mood is to just wear this today with this beautiful H&M pants, like, amazing, beautiful. You know what I mean? This is the look, very oversized. Like I said, this is size 44, and I think size 44 is L, you know, large. Like, really, really, I love them oversized, you know, really beautiful. Beautiful, but it's just the price that's kind of like, you know, scary. It's like a scary movie. Love it, you know, this badge here, you know. Definitely we are just buying this, you know. I think without the Prada sign, I will still take it, but not for that huge amount. Amazing. Let me close it. I know this old paper wrap and everything is so disturbing.